Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a circle with center O and the area is also given. So later we will probably need this area of this circle at some point in time. Find the area of and perimeter of this OAPB. The green color sector here. Since we are talking about the green color sector, then it is important for us to look at this angle. The reflex angle OAB, because I will need that to find the area of this green color sector OAPB later on. Using this angle, divide by 360 degree, multiplied by area of a circle, which is given. So basically, right, when you see the working here, then you will see that, hey, I've got my angle 245. And using this angle 245, I divide by 360 degrees. That will give me the fraction of the circle multiplied by the area of the circle. Okay? And leave your answer to 3 significant figures. As for the perimeter, then we need to look at A to P to B, including my radius. So the very first step for us is then, what is my radius here? Because that will be my OA and AB. And if I know my area of the whole circle, I will then be able to find my radius OA and OB. And then I will need the radius, because I will also need the circumference. Okay, that will be my red color. Arc length is actually equals to the arc APB will then be the 245 divided by 360 multiplied by the circumference. So we really need the radius. Okay, that should be the first step. And so when you look at the working now, then you will then be able to better appreciate this full set of working. So I'm going to just also cut out this and put it below so that you can see and enjoy the part B answer. So for part B, right, we will then need the radius by equipping pi r square with 256 pi, because this is what is given. This is the given area of this circle. Then using your algebraic skills, we will then find that the radius r is 16. That means this is 16. This is also 16. And of course, I will need to find my arc APB. Now that I know my radius is 16. That's why you will see this working appearing here. Okay, which is this set of working. And after that, please leave your answer to 3 significant figures. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Okay, let me just hide away this. This is an extra circle.